Hey everyone, Reed here. Welcome to episode 23 of Apex on the Go. Today, answering the question, how do I do an airport pickup with an Apex reservation? Well, because as most of you should know, most airports require you to be on the trip when you approach, all right? Plus you also have to go to a queue, a FIFO, which is first in, first out, right? So how do you bypass that so that the rider gets you, the driver, their choice, and still do this all legally and within policy, so you're not just picking up someone on the curb without being on an active ride? Well, it's actually very simple. The concept is, let's say if you want to buy an Uber or a Lyft for a family member, as long as you know where that family member is when they're ready to go, you put in the ping to that location and it's going to get the nearest driver, right? Same concept. So what I do with my passengers is I share with them an address through the Apex Rider chat feature, and that address, I tell them that's going to be your pickup point that you use when it's time for us to go. And when it is time to go, they're either communicating with me through the chat feature or by phone, which is masked through the app as well. And then when they're ready, they say, hey, I'm ready to send the ping. I said, okay, I'm going online. I go online and I'm already at that location, right? I choose a location where there's not a lot of drivers or no drivers, right? And then they ping me, no problem. You know, it works every time. I will say though, with Lyft, it's a little bit different. I found this out the hard way. You're gonna want to, after they ping you, don't just go to the terminal, okay? And then start the ride from the terminal, because Lyft will do an admin cancel on you because you're driving away from the pickup location, right? So you have to start the trip a little early and drive to there, but it's only a couple minutes away usually, so it's not really going to change or affect their price much at all, pennies maybe. So that is it. Let me know what you think, and hope this helps you out. A lot of people have been asking that question for a while. All right, guys, talk to you next time. Bye.